Yo, what's up, legends? Imagine your phone dinging with $10,000 a month notifications. Straight passive cash flowing in while you sleep, travel, or binge your favorite show. Yes, no more 9 to 5 grind killing your soul. No more bosses treating you like a cog. But hold up. Here's the brutal truth most gurus hide. Did you know that 99% of side hustlers fail miserably? They make you stuck at $0 because they chase the wrong strategies. It's not dropshipping disasters or freelance burnout. It's something way simpler, yet game-changing. Stick with me. I'll tease the first mind-blowing myth bust in seconds, but the full #1 strategy reveal? That's at minute 15, with real proof from a dude who went from broke to $10,000 in 90 days. This isn't hype. It's about solving your no time, no skills pain for a better life. I'm telling you, comment 10K right now if you're tired of the struggle. Don't scroll or you'll miss the twist that flips everything. Alright, first myth. You think dropshipping's easy money? Right. You are dead wrong, legend. Let's agitate why it flops hard. But coming up, why my #1 side hustle scales without inventory headaches. Alright fam, let's get real. Why do most side hustles crash and burn before you even sniff $1,000, let alone $10,000 a month? Myth #1. I know you have heard that dropshipping or affiliate marketing equals passive riches, right? Ha! Wrong. Why? Saturation. In 2025, if you are doing it, it's fine, but you'll agree with me on this. Right now, if you're doing it, it means you're battling AI bots and big core. With at least 80% quitting in months after wasting cash on ads that flop. I have done that too. We can all agree here that you have no control, constant supplier drama, agitating, right? Your dream dies fast. Then the myth #2 is freelance gigs like writing or coaching on Upwork. Sounds flexible, but it's just trading hours for peanuts. You can average $3,000 per month capped with Burnout City, clients ghosting you. No scale, no freedom. Come to the ultimate myth #3. It's all out, passive stuff like stocks or P2P lending. Safe, but tiny returns. Need $1 million to hit $10,000 a month. Forget it if you're starting from zero. These myths keep you trapped in 9 to 5 dread. No time, no real money, just frustration. I've been there. The truth is the market doesn't care about your effort, it cares about outcomes. But tease this, my #1 side hustle strategy? It's recurring, needs zero capital upfront, and helps real businesses while you build assets. No names yet, hang on for the signs you're ready. If this hits home, smash like and comment your biggest myth fail. Next, the 3 signs this $10,000 path is for you. Remember, don't drop off, the curiosity is building. Yo, legend, if those myths got you nodding like, that's me. Good, because now we're flipping to hope. I've coached 50 plus folks out of 9 to 5 hell with this #1 side hustle strategy, turning zeros into $10,000 a month heroes. From real results, like AI hustles hitting $5,000 fast on platforms like Teachable or Medium. But imagine combining that with helping local businesses. Boom, scalable gold. I'm telling you, this isn't some course or gig. It's leveraging all-in-one software to fix marketing chaos for plumbers, gyms, you name it. The go on and charge recurring fees, build passively, yes, from $497 a month to thousands, depending on their needs at the time. Or if I manage to do great work for them and the business expands. Why does #1 side hustle work so well? It's beginner-proof, remote, and taps into 30 million underserved businesses. Forbes backs this. Yes, local biz spending billions on bad marketing. And the number is staggering. Now these are the 3 signs you're primed for $10,000. Sign 1, hate your job? This #1 side hustle gives freedom without quitting. Sign 2, have basic tech skills? Our templates make it dummy-proof. You too can do it easily, attend the bootcamp and witness magic in real life. Sign 3, you love helping others? This solves real pain for cash. You're buying a better you, predictable income, no more worries. Here's what you should be sure of what this involves. A platform that brands as yours for pro vibes. Yes, full steps next, with no fluff in mind. Plus a 5-day bootcamp to handhold and set everything for you for $0 today, not tomorrow. Comment, sign me up. If these hit, I'm about to drop the name of the #1 side hustle soon. But first, let's bust why this beats everything else. Alright, legends, the moment's here. Now pay attention. The number one side hustle strategy for $10,000 a month. It's SaaSpreneurship, yes resell, and white label GoHighLevel software to local businesses for automated marketing magic. Boom. How is the $10,000 equals 20 clients at $497 per month average that's recurring forever? The question now is, why does it crush others? There is no inventory like dropshipping. There is no hour trading like freelancing. It's pure scale. Let me show you through these easy steps how before I get you inside the bootcamp and hand to you everything I'm showing you here for $0 today. Step 1. Setup. Grab GoHighLevel, $497 per month starter. Brand it as your tool. Add your logo and domain. This is done in less than 5 minutes, of which this makes you look like a tech genius without coding. Then, step 2. Find clients. Target locals via LinkedIn or free audits. Agitate their bad ads, websites, offer fixes. I have laid it for you in the mini business ebook that's coming your way in 7 minutes. The results speak for themselves, of which they're not typical. Everything shown here is for example of what's possible and not a guarantee, because let's all be adults here, I don't know if you'll commit to see the result. Like AI content creators hitting $5,000 but recurring hits $10,000 faster. Step 3. Deliver and scale. Your work is simple. Set up their CRM, funnels, emails, /SMS, charge monthly. Secret sauce. AI automation runs passive. Clients get leads 24/7. You get paid. Step 4. Hit 10K. How just start with 1 client per week via referrals. Compound to 20. That's your goal. Just like Frank Kern's pro tip would remind you to focus on outcomes like never worry about leads, not features. Avoid newbie mistakes. Niche down first. This blueprint's yours. Implement today. But Joe proof? Legend next. Real stories of $10,000 wins. Don't bail. The evidence seals it. Then the icing will be access to the bootcamp for free and mini business ebook that unlocks all the shenanigans to win at this game.
I think the opportunity that's created right now, that GoHighLevel has created for everybody to sell software is huge, and it's probably the best opportunity that we could see in a lifetime. And the reason why is because it's what people want to buy. I read a statistic, I think it was Microsoft that published this, that there's 157,000 new businesses are started every day. And as a small business owner myself, I know that the one thing that all business owners want is more customers faster. I guess technically that's 2 things. But the point is, GoHighLevel software actually delivers on that promise. It actually works. And when you sell it to people, they get results and they like it and they keep using it. And it's amazing. There's so much demand for it. It's a wonderful product. And I'm very, very proud to sell it. And it has worked out extremely well for me. It's one of the best decisions I ever made, was to take advantage of this opportunity. I would recommend it to anybody. It's great. So yeah, definitely worth doing.
Hi there, I'm Julie Chanel. I'm one of the co-founders of Funnel Gorgeous, and we have been running our SaaS since 2020. As of the recording of this video, we have over 2,000 users in our SaaS, and it is hard to describe how life-changing that has been for both our business, ourselves, and our team. There are so many people out there who are great marketers and great educators, and they need a tool and a solution for their customers. And that's where GoHighLevel comes in, because they have an amazing team and amazing software. And by allowing all of us to white label it, they're giving us the opportunity of a lifetime for us to be able to focus on our genius and them to focus on theirs. Because for me to build my own marketing automation software would be millions of dollars. But instead, I can be an educator, I can reach my people, and I can let GoHighLevel do all the hard work, and we both profit. It's a win-win.
What's up, y'all? It's Billy Jean. Sharing a quick video to tell you to become a SaaSpreneur. Where do we just come from?
Dave & Buster's.
And we came from Dave & Buster's. And honestly, like, you can make a lot of money doing the SaaS thing, but I kind of want to emphasize on something different, which is the time. Very few things that you can do that truly give you leverage. I mean, you can sell it one time, keep getting paid for it over and over again, and that is where you win time. And so us being able to take the day and go to Dave & Buster's, and where are we going tomorrow?
iFly.
To iFly. Like, that's why you should do it. So you don't have to trade time for dollars. Like, it's just a smarter play. And then also too, the fact when you sell somebody like GoHighLevel or something like that, they are using it for their business daily. So they're very happy and, oh, my phone's ringing. They're very happy and they stick with you. So if you were to get this type of quote unquote, I don't like the word passive income, but if you were to do something like this with I don't know, real estate or something like that, think about how much money you need down, the time that it takes to buy it, and then you do all of that and you have something that pays you like $100 to $200 a month. Like, this is basically like as close to free as you get to start something like this. So I'm a big proponent about it, about using software in your biz and also selling it as an opportunity for others. We do it, works really well, and it buys me the thing that's most valuable to me, which is time and a lot of money.
Still skeptical? Let's drop the proof bomb. Case study number 1. Sarah, salon owner, used this software as a service strategy to jump from $3,000 per month leads to $8,000 all recurring. She said, "It changed my life, no more slow seasons." Case study number 2. Tony, HVAC guy, just did plus $25,000 revenue from automated leads. He hit $10,000 in his agency side hustle within 6 months. From real hustle data, like medium AI creators or teachable courses averaging $5,000 to $10,000, this scales faster because it's B2B recurring. My story: broke 9 to 5er to $10,000 a month in 4 months. My zero to hero timeline is simple. Month 1 setup, month 2 first client, boom. Life has never been the same again. Have objections? Too techie? Nah. Within the bootcamp that's starting right away, I will give you templates plus community, which make it easy. Wait, there is more. You'll have access to coaching if and only if you get started today, legend. That's up to you. Won't be forcing it on you, mate. Okay, you have no time? Let's start somewhere. Give this 10 hours a week start. Ooh, you're thinking it's too risky? Joe, really? A full 30-day trials kill that. These aren't hype. Real outcomes from solving real pain within your community and the city you are living in. Helping local business stops wasting money on ads that don't work anymore. Comment your biggest objection below. I'll crush more in comments. Finally, get started now next. This is where it gets actionable. Legends, you've made it. Now claim your $10,000 future. Ready to launch this SaaSpreneur strategy? Grab my free mini business ebook, the exact blueprint with templates, scripts, and step-by-steps to hit $10,000 a month. Plus, a 30-day GoHighLevel software trial to test drive without risk. Yes, full access to the software today and right now. Link in channel bio. Download now, no strings. This is your investment in a better you. Recurring freedom starts here. I challenge you to implement step 1 today. Tag me in your progress for a shout out. If this fired you up, smash subscribe for more 10K hacks, like and comment claimed if you're grabbing the freebies. Thanks for watching. Go build that empire. Peace.